Take a look at this. This one simple Stickman video got me over 2 million views and more than 50,000 subscribers. And the crazy part? I didn't use multiple complicated tools or any paid software. Everything was created using free AI tools with a very simple strategy. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it step by step. And before that, let me show you something real quick. There's a channel with over 90,000 subscribers, less than 60 videos, and they started just a few months ago. And the crazy part? Their videos are just basic Stickman scenes. No complex animation, nothing fancy, yet they're pulling insane views. Now here's where it gets interesting. In this video, I'm going to show you how to not only recreate this style, but actually make it better. We're going to animate these scenes, keep the characters consistent, and create smooth transitions that make your video feel professionally made. And the best part? I've built a simple master prompt that does almost everything for you, from ideas to images to animations. Plus, I'll show you one small trick that makes your scene transitions look super smooth. Most people completely miss this. I've also added all the prompts and tools in the description so you can follow along easily. If you find this helpful, just drop a like and subscribe and let's get straight into it. Alright, first step. This is where everything starts. Go to ChatGPT and paste the master prompt from the description directly into the chat box. As soon as you send it, it's going to generate 10 different video ideas for you. Just pick the one you like, copy its number, paste it back in, and let it run. Now here's the part that saves you hours. It will automatically generate everything you need. Your Stickman character prompt, your background prompt so everything stays consistent, then 6 scene image prompts, and finally 5 animation prompts. Don't worry about the 6 images and 5 animations for now. I'll explain that in a minute when we get to the animation part. For now, just let it generate everything, and once you have all your prompts ready, we move to the next step. Now let's create your character. Go to Google Gemini, switch to the image generation option, and paste your Stickman character prompt. In a few seconds, you'll get your main character. Now before you move on, this part actually matters. If you want to change anything like adding a cap, changing expression, or small details, do it right here using the edit option. Because once we move forward, we're going to reuse the same character in every scene, so this is your only clean chance to lock it in. Once that's done, copy your background prompt, paste it in Gemini, and generate your background. Now you've got both, your character and your background. From here, you can download them, or if you want to move faster, just copy both images. The reason we're doing it this way is simple. We want the character and background to stay consistent in every single scene. Otherwise, your video will look messy and unprofessional. Alright, now that everything is ready, let's start building the actual scenes. First, paste your Stickman image, then paste your background image, but don't hit generate yet. Now go back to ChatGPT, copy your first scene image prompt, come back, paste it in, and then generate. What this does is really important. It keeps your same character and background and only changes what's described in the scene. That's how you get that clean, consistent look. Now, for the next scene, do the exact same thing. Paste your Stickman again, paste the background again, then add your second scene prompt, and hit generate. You'll see everything stays consistent, just the scene changes. And that's it. Repeat this process for all your scene prompts. Once you're done, download all the scene images, but skip the original Stickman and background. You don't need those anymore. Now, you should have all your scenes ready. Now, we turn these images into actual animation. Open the Google Flow tool and create a new project. Set it to video aspect ratio 16:9, keep video count to 1 to save credits, and choose VO3 Fast. Now upload all the scene images you just created. Once they're uploaded, take your first image and drop it into the start frame. Then take your second image and drop it into the end frame. Now go back to ChatGPT, copy your first animation prompt, paste it here, and generate. Give it a few seconds, and you'll get your first animated clip with a smooth transition from scene 1 to scene 2. Now here's the part people usually mess up. For the next clip, your start frame will be the previous end frame. So take your second image, place it as start frame. Then your third image as end frame, paste the second animation prompt, and generate again. Do the same process for the rest. And now that question from earlier, why 6 images but only 5 animations? Because each animation connects 2 images, so 6 scenes equals 5 transitions. If you still didn't understand, watch the previous part again so you don't mess things up. Once all clips are done, download them. And now you're ready for the final step. Now just bring everything together. Open your video editor. You can use CapCut or anything you're comfortable with, and import all your animation clips. Drop them one by one on the timeline in order. Play through it once. And if you see any weird cuts or distortions at the end of a clip, just trim that part out. And if you want, add your voiceover on top. Once everything looks good, export your video. And just like that, You've got a fully animated Stickman video with smooth, clean transitions. No complex tools, no paid software, just AI and a simple workflow. And honestly, once you do this a couple of times, you can create these videos really fast. All the prompts and tools I used are in the description, so you can follow the exact same process without guessing anything. If this helped you, drop a like, subscribe for more tutorials like this, and if you get stuck anywhere, just comment. I'll help you out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.